You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, let's learn how to pronounce this word. How do you say meat in French? If you want to learn more French cooking terms and delicious words from French cuisine, stay tuned. Viande is the French pronunciation. How do you say meat in French? Viande. Viande. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.